Hey everyone, and welcome to our channel. If you're looking for ways to boost your income and work from the comfort of your own home, you've come to the right place. We've scoured the internet and found 10 incredible websites where you can make money online. These aren't your typical, run-of-the-mill sites either. We've got a mix of tried-and-true platforms and some hidden gems you probably haven't heard of before. All of them have been verified as legitimate money-making opportunities. So, if you appreciate us doing the research for you, smash that like button and let's dive in. In today's digital age, the internet is a goldmine of earning potential. Whether you're a student, a busy parent, or just looking to supplement your income, there are tons of online platforms waiting for you. But finding the right ones can be a challenge. That's why we've done the hard work for you. We've handpicked 10 insane websites that offer real opportunities to make money from home. All you need to do is create an account and start working. Let's start with number 1 on the list, which is going to be ClickWorker. ClickWorker is a fantastic platform because of the sheer variety of tasks they offer. It's not just one thing, which means you can find something that suits your skills and interests. We're talking about everything from AI training, which is a huge and growing field, to surveys, which are quick and easy. You can also get paid for app testing, which is great if you're tech-savvy, or even voice recordings if you have a clear speaking voice. They also have research tasks and even photo contests. It's a really diverse range. But the best part? Tasks are added regularly. This means that if you're motivated and willing to put in the time, there's almost always work available. You don't have to worry about logging in and finding nothing to do. ClickWorker keeps a steady stream of opportunities coming in. Now, the pay per task varies, of course, depending on the complexity and time involved. But the consistent availability of work makes it a great option for building up your earnings. And because there are so many different types of tasks, you can find what you enjoy and what you're good at, which makes the whole process more engaging. So, if you're looking for a flexible and reliable way to make money online, ClickWorker is definitely worth checking out. Check out their website to explore the platform for yourself. Now, let's explore another platform that offers opportunities to earn, Toloka. Unlike some platforms with a broader range of tasks, Toloka specializes in data-related work, making it a great option if you're interested in contributing to the world of AI and machine learning. Toloka's tasks primarily revolve around human data labeling. This means you'll be helping computers understand the world by providing crucial information about images, text, and other data. Think of it as training the AI of tomorrow. You might be asked to tag objects in an image, like identifying cars, trees, or buildings. Or perhaps you'll be asked to rate the relevance of search results, helping search engines provide better answers. Another common task involves analyzing text and determining the sentiment expressed. Is it positive, negative, or neutral? Toloka's platform is designed to be user-friendly, with clear instructions and straightforward task layouts. Even if you're new to this type of work, you'll quickly get the hang of it. And the tasks are often bite-sized, allowing you to work in short bursts whenever you have some free time. Earning money on Toloka is straightforward. You complete tasks, and you get paid. Toloka typically offers various payment options, making it easy to access your earnings. Our third popular platform for earning online. Meet Amazon Mechanical Turk, or MTurk. It's a platform with a huge variety of tasks, from simple to complex. Think data annotation, surveys, transcription, content moderation, writing, image processing, data entry, testing, even translation. MTurk has it all. Find tasks that fit your skills and interests. Earnings vary, but consistent work and accuracy are key to maximizing your income. Explore, experiment, and find what works for you. MTurk offers a flexible way to earn online. Want to contribute to AI and earn? Check out OneForma. They specialize in AI training data. Annotate images, label data, judge search results. You're teaching computers to understand the world. UHRS microtasks are also available for quick earnings. OneForma is perfect if you're passionate about AI and want to get paid for it. Ready for another way to earn online? Meet Appen. They offer a wide range of projects, evaluating search engines and social media, data labeling microjobs, surveys, data collection, translation, localization, and transcription. From rating search results to translating documents, Appen has something for everyone. Explore their projects and find your fit. Need more than microtasks? Try Upwork. It's a platform connecting freelancers with clients for a huge range of projects. Think writing, design, programming, marketing, and much more. Find projects that match your skills and experience. Upwork lets you set your own rates and work flexible hours. Build your profile, pitch for projects, and grow your freelance career. Ready for another earning opportunity? Let's check out Mindrift. Mindrift offers a variety of ways to earn, often focused on quick, simple tasks. Think surveys, data entry, and other micro-tasks you can do in your spare time. Perfect for earning small amounts of money when you have a few minutes to spare. Easy to use and a great way to supplement your income. Let's proceed to our 8th platform, which is Freelancer.com. Freelancer is a massive marketplace connecting businesses with freelancers across countless skills. Think graphic and web design, virtual assistant work like data entry and email outreach, marketing, data science, cybersecurity, online tutoring, even app development. Whatever your skill set, you can likely find paying projects on Freelancer.com. Explore the marketplace and bid on projects that match your expertise. Looking for higher-paying AI microtasks? Meet Outlier. Outlier focuses on quality AI training data and often offers better pay for those specialized tasks. If you have the skills and are looking for more rewarding AI work, Outlier is worth checking out. Potentially higher earnings for your AI expertise. Finally, let's talk about Testable Minds. This platform connects you with paid research studies. Share your thoughts, opinions, and experiences. Participate in surveys, experiments, and other research projects. Get paid for your valuable insights. Testable Minds offers a unique way to earn while contributing to important research. So there you have it, 10 incredible websites where you can start making money online today. Remember, the key to success is to find a platform that aligns with your skills and interests. Don't be afraid to explore different options and see what works best for you. Which of these websites are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks on making money online. Thanks for watching.